Beautiful ranch home built by Buttram Construction. This home features a full unfinished walkout basement and sits on a 3.17-acre lot. All of the acreage is fairly open for a nice large yard. This home features a very open floor plan with granite countertops, hardwood floors in the kitchen and dining area, ceramic tile in all baths and the laundry, a $2,500 appliance allowance, a covered deck and patio, custom cabinets, jetted tub, crown molding, 3-car garage, stone on the front and the rest in vinyl siding.